All right, so one of the apps that I found very useful in a classroom over the course of this semester was Class Dojo. And I know I talked about this app a bit in class. So I made our class. This is educational technology. And you can go in, let's look at our individual students. I have everyone within the class already added. Everyone has their own little character or their emojis. They're all very cute and colorful. This is also a good place to keep track and give students points. We can go in. Let's go to myself. I can say today I was participating and give myself a point. And I can go in and do this to every student. It also keeps track of this, or your whole class. So I can give the whole entire class a point for participating. And then you can also see up in the corner where the class-wide point scale is. This would be really good for lower elementary students to kind of as encouragement to stay on task. This also, you could also use the point system as kind of a reward system. So say once you get to 25 points, maybe you get 5 extra minutes of recess. There's also a whole bunch of cool tools. There's a group maker. You could do, let's say we want 3 students per group, and it automatically sets it for you randomly. There's also a randomizer, and it randomly picked Ashley. This way you're not like unfairly calling out different students. There's a timer. There's also a noise meter, which comes very handy in a classroom. And there's also music, think, pair, share, and today. One of my favorite things is its ability to interact with parents. You can go in and you can add your students' parents or grandparents or anyone you want to. And you can message parents privately. So I could go in, I could email my parents' number and I could message them privately, or I could send out a message to the entire class. So I thought this app was a really good tool, especially for lower elementary students. And I think it would be a great tool for teachers to have to keep their students on task, as well as organization and messaging parents.